Hello, it's Andrew Bartlett again. I'm covering over a video on creating buttons in Access and also buttons with FileMaker, but they have an option called Popover buttons as well. So I'm going to cover over that. And feel free to contact me through email, phone number, and as well as visiting the website if you need any assistance in making a form like this for your business. All right, well let's get started. All right, so we have our FileMaker file right here. And beforehand, I made an extra menu right here. Pretty much, it's the menu. So if you just scroll it down here, you got your menu option, okay? So, and what these buttons did, and I'll show you how to make these right here. I just click on it, and there we go. We're at our customers. But what I don't have is I don't have anything to get back to the menu. So we're going to make that right now. All right, and also I don't have the appointment schedule button. So I'm going to do two things right there. I'm going to make a button, and I'm going to have what's called a pop-up menu, and that's going to be on majority of the slides. All right, let's go to Edit Layout, and first off, we're going to make our button. Make it about yay big. Okay, and let's call in. Well, you do it two ways, but I think it's appointment schedule. Okay. And perform action. This is only a single step. I'm not going to show you how to perform an entire script, but this is pretty much a single step. Quick action, and yeah. So we're going to go to, it's already down here, so you can see it here. Go to Layout, just double click it, and click right here. See, if you click on any one of these parts, see this highlighted, it'll give you a different option to do. So we're going to go to Layout. We're not going by calculation or stuff like that. So we are going to go to appointment schedule. Okay. Hit OK. And that's it. Just hit OK and you're done. That's it. And exit out there. Now let's watch. Control save, Control S, exit, and voila, we've gone to appointment schedule. Now let's go back to menu. All right, so I made our other button, and we could also, if you're OCD, you change it. Now let's go ahead and let's give it a little design. So, and what I love about FileMaker is you can do gradients. So, all right, let's say your appointment is kind of like this. Yeah. Now you can do whatever color you want. I just picked that way. Now what we're going to do. Oh, and also let's make one other button just for exiting the application. Okay. Put it right up around here. And exit. Or quit, pretty much. Actions, single step. And give it 1 minute. You can type in the search over here. Make it a little faster. See, exit application. And it's just one little script on here, so hit OK. There you go, and now let's go to the picker, the inspector item, and let's change it to red so it's noticeable. It's more of a red, yeah. It's kind of pink. Darker red. There we go. Got it. Perfect. Control S to save. And we got that. Now it'll close out when I exit. Close out the whole application. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, let's say, I don't know, let's start with the products tab. Okay. Now I'm going to move this over a bit so we make room for the popover button. I love the popover button because it saves room, honestly. That's the main thing I just want to say here. So popover button, make it about yay big. like I said, Popover, it pops over. And I'm going to delete the writing that says Popover. You can name it whatever you want, but let's title it Menu, because ultimately it's going to go to the menu. And we're not going to do anything here because we already have our buttons already made. And I'll show you how we do this. Okay. So save. Okay, let's go to our menu. And we're just going to copy and paste all this, okay? Copy it. Control C. Let's go back to our, what was it, products? Yeah. Products. And we're on the menu. Is that part? And we're going to Control V. And let me see here. Oh, I'll move this around a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so sales right there. So let's put this right here. Here. Customers. And appointment schedule. Now one thing I also forgot to do, I forgot to make a button for getting back to the menu option. So let's add that right now. Button. And let's try and get it almost exact. Menu. And single action, single step, just like before. And go to layout. Come on, no, not that. Mouse is a bit touchy. Okay, we're going to go to menu, hit OK, and OK. There you go, and we can change the color just real quick right here. Let's make it to like a blue. Okay, and let's change this color too. Make it the same thing, hopefully. I might get it the same. There we go. Close. Anyways, and there you go. So now you got your Popover. So now let's save. And exit. And that's what happens. So it pulls out right over here. Let's go to our menu, actually. So, all right, now, and the beauty part about this, too, though, is let me go to products. At layout, you can copy this, the whole thing. Let's go to sales. Okay, move this around a little bit. I got it. Oh, stop it. Okay, move this over. Right now. And Control V. And there we go. We got our menu. And let's double click on it. Move over further. Yeah, sorry, Tall Profit. There. Actually, let's just move it right here. Move it right next to the item information. Okay. And there we go. And Control Save. Here's the layout, and there we go. Wait. Here's the layout menu. And there you go. So let's go back to our menu. Let's go to our customers. Wait, I didn't have that. All right, so let's go back. All right, wait, better yet. Edit. Control V, and there you go. Control S. And there we go. Menu. That easy. And of course, exit to exit, but I won't do it at this moment. All right, so let's go over to our access file. All right, so basically I have the same kind of form. I called it menu, and I pretty much arranged it. So just had a little bit of room in here. All right, so now let's go, actually, let's stay in the design view. And see, there's your buttons. It's on the design. And the formatting design tools ribbon. And we want to make a button. See? Just click on right here. And what we're wanting to do right here is you go to form operation. So you open form. And now let's go back for a second. So you got different options, so record options, and that's pretty much the little image it'll give you. So you find next, come on, back. Go to first record, all this different stuff right here, see? All right. Form operations, which I could eventually do, but miscellaneous, which is pretty much see, now application is where you quit application. That's pretty much the same button I did with FileMaker. So we're going to go to form operations. We're going to open a form. Hit next. And it has what forms we want to open right in the menu. So let's go to our sales form. Okay. Open the form and show all the records. And the picture, see there's the picture it'll give you automatically. And if you open a picture before from past experience, it won't reposition it too well. So yeah, I just type in the text. Let's see here. Sales form. Okay, hit next. And let's do it button. Actually, let's come in. Sales form. Okay, hit finish. There we go. And there's our button. And you can format this. Let's say you want the text. I believe the text already is black. And let's say the background. This is the only things. And you can do a few other options, but it's kind of you might be able to do gradient, but I'll just do something right now. So let's just go for green. Okay, and you could also go for quick styles, like this maybe, and shape effects. We give it a bevel. I kind of like the bevels, but yeah. See, there you go. That's kind of more like a real button right there. All right, and let's go into the view, and voila, it goes to the sales form. And let's go back to here, side view, and let's see if we can just copy this. Side view, come on. Oh no, we won't be able to copy this because it'll go to the menu item. All right, so I know. Let's go ahead and add our exit. Here's your button. It's gonna get around here a little bit. Miscellaneous and application. Yep, quit application. Next. Yeah, just leave it as quit app, or just more simple. Exit. And next. CMD. Exit. Finish. There we go. There's our exit sign. All right, and let's change the formatting real quick here. Red again, like the FileMaker. Actually, let's go to quick styles. And then we have the one we want. Oh, I'll just do it old fashioned. Right here, change it to white, and give it a bevel. There we go. There we go, nice. And we can move it around. Let's move it right up to the top pretty much in the corner so everyone notices. There we go. And hit home, view, save it. Now we go to the sales form. And of course, do the same process if you want to go put the button up here to go back to your menu. But we're not going to do that right now just for time constraints. And we want to close it, hit exit. Now I didn't hit the exit on the FileMaker, but I'll show you what it does. It literally just exit. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and let me know how it was, how your files are working. All right. Have a great day. Hello, YouTube. Hi. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And under any comments, let me know whatever questions you might have or any programs, anything else you might want me to show on here. And of course, you contact me at the information listed on this spot right here. And thank you so very much for watching, and hope to see you all again soon.